Hello again, my viewers. I hope you are doing well. So please subscribe to our channel and support us with a like and share to your friends. In the last video, I have been talking about the top selling products online in 2021, and in the last of the video, I promised to make another video about the best marketplaces to sell your products online. So the first marketplace names Amazon. So everyone knows about Amazon. It has um, 5 million marketplace sellers and around 2,000 million US shoppers every month. This was in the 2017. So Amazon is one of the best or the most popular online marketplaces. Okay, so second one is by the way, the marketplaces cost differs from one to another one. So for Amazon, cost is around $40 per month plus additional transactions fees. The second one is Walmart. So Walmart is the largest retailer in the world, and in 2000, this having a lot of growth, like Amazon, especially because maybe it is having over than 1,010 million shoppers who shop online every month. So as you can see here, the third one is eBay. Okay, eBay where you can also shop, and especially is a great marketplace for beginners and also for people who are already experienced for online selling, etc. So the marketplace cost. So for eBay, there are 3 plans to choose from. The standard plan has no monthly listing fee, but there are a fee when items sell. The Plus plan costs $13.50 per month, with extended access to features, and the Premier plan offers advanced tools with pricing to be unveiled later this year. The fourth marketplace is about Etsy. Okay, so Etsy is also a very popular marketplace. The cost for list products for $0.20 each, and pay transaction and payment processing fees for each sale. Jet. So compared to many of the online marketplaces on this list, Jet is the new kid on the block. It was introduced but was acquired by Walmart not long after that, as the list over here. So let's talk about the fees or the marketplace cost. Commission is charged on products sold. So the fees are ranged by the sales or the number of products sold as the okay. So the next one is Newegg. The Newegg online marketplace is different from in one product category. So let's see about the fees. So marketplace cost commission based on product category, as we saw on the, I think it's a little bit different from Jet. It is based on product categories. So one category may have commission higher than another one. The another marketplace named Rakuten is the fourth largest e-commerce site in the world. So as you can see, Rakuten. Okay, here the marketplace cost is $39 per month plus the transaction fees per item sold. There is around $1 US dollar. And the last one is about Creatijoy. Creatijoy, over the last few years, the subscription box industry saw it is having a subscription, and as you can see here, the marketplace cost around $40 per month plus transaction fees. Okay, so I think that's all about this video. I have been sharing with you all the marketplaces. There is